Dear students, we are continuing with the topic comprehension under intelligence test of class 8 scholarship. Ability to comprehend is a very important aspect of measuring the intelligence of a person. So such questions are there nearly 8 to 10% in your question paper. So be very clear about what all comprehension is possible. Here comes the question. In the sentence, I had lent my friend some of my pocket money and promised to return it soon. How many 6-letter words are more or less than 5-letter words? Question appears simple and it will come in medium category because it takes time to get the answer. This question has come in the year 2017. Let us read the question once again. In the sentence, I had lent my friend some of my pocket money and had promised to return it soon. How many 6-letter words are there which is more or less than 5-letter words? You have to find out 6-letter words and how much it is more, either more or less it will be than 5-letter words. So we have to find out 5-letter words also. So we will count the 6-letter words. In these 6-letter words, we are having, this is a 6-letter word and this is a 5-letter word. Okay, here 3-letter, 4-letter, 2-letter. This is 2 plus 2 plus 6-letter word. Here is a 6-letter word. So there are 2 6-letter words here, and if we go here, here is a 6-letter word. This is 4. This is more than 6. So 6-letter words are there 3. 5-letter words are there 1. So 5-letter words is zyada hai. That means there are more 2 sets of 6 letters. Let us see what way the answer options are. More by 2. That means 6-letter words are more by 2 than 5-letter words. Okay, so you will mark this. So this takes little time because you have to find out 2 aspects. When only one aspect is there, we will get it in easy and quickly within 10 seconds. If it is more than that, you will go for 30 seconds. This is a question which have come in 2017. You need rough work, you will do it in the rough space given in the question. Here is the next question. How many total number of vowels are there in the word examination? You have to mark the vowels. So vowels, you know that A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels. So naturally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. We'll mark 7 as answer. 10-second question. This you will not write because you know it. Just I wrote. You will directly count this with fingers, keeping in the question paper. You cannot write on the question paper except on the rough space provided for rough work. Okay, let us move ahead. Here is the next question. Form a meaningful word using O, N, L, A, D, K, E, W, G. Find the first letter adjacent to the middle letter. Choose 2 correct options. Question has come in the year 2018. Now here the question is having 2 parts. First part is tough, second part is easy. First part is to make a meaningful word out of this. Here you can pause the video and think about what can be that, write in a paper, whether you can get it out, how much time it takes is very important. If it takes more than 30 seconds, then you will find it difficult to complete the paper. I am giving you the answer. If you don't want to hear the answer, pause the video, find the word and then come back, then check that whether you are right. The word over here, meaningful word over here is right, knowledge. The question is find the meaningful word, then find the first letter adjacent to the middle letter. So how many letters are there in knowledge? There are 9 letters. The middle letter will be this one, fifth one. 4 here, 4 here. This is the middle one. L is the middle one. The adjacent letters are W and E, and you are having option for 2 correct answers because first letter adjacent, which side is not given, so you will write both W and E. So you will opt for 2 circles to darken in your OCR paper. My dear students, striking the word, meaningful word is knowledge. How much time it takes decides. The intelligence decides whether you will complete the question paper. So it is up to your knowledge. Let us go ahead. Here the next question. In the letter series GPT, GT, PNG, MM, PY, GP, कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. Which letter has occurred maximum number of times? That's why it was not able to understand. You can here also you can select 2 answers, and this question has come in 2017. You are asked to find out which letter has occurred maximum times. G 1 2 3 4 P 1 2 3 4. So we will see what are the options. Only the options we have to check. G is given. M we have to check. Only 2 are there. T we have to check. Only 2 are there. P is 4. G is 4. So there are 2 answers. G 4 times and as well as P 4 times. Maximum number of time is 4 times. Both G and P has occurred 4 times in this letter series. Understood? Let me go ahead. The ability to find out this quickly is considered to be an act of intelligence. Again another series, letter series. In the given letter series, how many times has it happened that N follows G but R does not come before G? N follows G, N के बाद G आना है, but R does not come before G. R should not come before that N. N follows G. English का तरीका समझ लो. N follows G. G के बाद N follows G means N follows G means G will be there, then N will come. This word is very special. When I started explaining to you, I also started doubting that way it is. N follows G. N G के बाद आएगा. But R does not come before G. In this side there should not be R. Does not. Twisting everything. Once if the question understood in the wrong way, the answer will come in the wrong way. N follows G, but R does not come before G. That means G के one side में N होना मांगता है, दूसरे side में R नहीं होना मांगता है. Prior to G, R नहीं होना मांगता है. एक हाँ, एक ना. चलो. So we need to go for G first. G के बाद N है, लेकिन इधर R है, तो ये नहीं चलेगा. G के बाद N is there, R is not before, so this will come in that category. G के बाद there is no N. G के बाद N है, but before that it is N, so this will come. So 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया. After G, N, sorry, it will not come. G, N, this will not come because R is before G. G followed by N and something other than R, so third one. G followed by N, not by R before, fourth one. Oh, इतना ही है. So there are 4 times it occurred. Where we had to spend little time in understanding the question. Once understood, I was just finding out where G is, then checking that whether N is there on its right side, followed, N followed by G. Then I have to check that if it is N which is followed, then immediately I should look on the other side. Is it R? If it is R not coming, does not come before G, R does not come before G. So I got 4 sets. Be very accurate in understanding the question. Here comes next question. Arrange the letters G, A, S, T, E to make meaningful word. ये एक lucky part है. मुझे तो word मिल गया. And state of which of the following belongs. State of which of the following it belongs. मतलब with which it is connected. Here is a word. 3 plus 2, 5-letter word. That word has a connection. Belongs. वो category में आता है. Whether it is connected with home, belong to airport, belong to theater, belong to station. After getting meaningful word, first part is getting meaningful word. Whether more than one meaningful word is there, I don't know. It won't be there normally. But the word which you will be getting having a connection with one of the item given here. The word I am going to say. So if you want to think it yourself and find it yourself and enjoy it yourself. है ना, अपने आप मिलते हैं तो अपने आप आंसर मिलते हैं तो एंजॉयमेंट आएगा ही. अगर आपको वो करना है अभी पॉज कर लीजिए because you should not listen to my answer. Thereafter you check it, and I am going to say that the meaningful word over here is stage, and it is connected to theater. So naturally the answer is third one, the theater. Understood? So this way you do, this way you go ahead, this way you will complete the. Here comes next question. No, the same question repeated by me by mistake. Letter series. Oh, letter series is given. In the above series, which is the 7th letter to the right from the letter which is the 4th place to the left of the letter which is at the middle of the given alphabetic series. Letter series is given. Very complicated letter series. You cannot simply find any kind of connection between these letters, but we don't have to bother about it, because you are asked to find out in the above series which is the 7th letter to the right of which to that one which is a letter 4th to the left of the middle letter. Now you have to go in the reverse direction. We have to find out the middle letter first, because from middle place letter you have to go 4 times to the left, 4 place to the left, and of that 4th place letter you have to go right 7th to the 7th letter. That is the answer. So middle letter we will find out by counting how many letters are there in the series. And 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19. 19 letters are there. So 10th letter will be the middle letter. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Q is the middle letter. From here you have to go to 4th letter to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So P is that letter, this 4th one. From that 7th to the right means you will count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will reach to this P. So the answer must be P. Hope that you understood. You have to start answering this question from the last part of the question. You will find out the middle one, then you will go to the left to the 4th position. From there you will come to the right 7th position. Then the question is answered. So the options given are P I have marked and P is right. So the ability to understand question, comprehend what it is, then applying that into the given situation and getting the conclusion or solution to it, that is what is tested here. Do it systematically, make it a habit, because your intelligence will be tested by this kind of questions. I am going to the next question, the last in this video. From the given alphabetical series, n should be here. If DO can be read as do is equal to 33, COME is equal to 68, then what is run, RUN? There are two ways of asking this kind of question. Almost similar question can be asked. I will tell you how it is. If do is equal to 33 and come is equal to 68, and if the question is not what is run, if the question is what is the, if it is asked by taking two alphabet from any these two, then there is a technique of answering it. But here unfortunately run is an entirely different word. So in this case I will be giving you direct answer by explaining you another thing, another technique that you should keep in mind. What is that? This is coming under alphabetical series, and I observed the question paper to find that 10% of the question is on alphabetical series. Maybe comprehension, maybe classification, maybe series, or maybe anything like that, but alphabetical series is a integral part of your question paper, and in different section alphabetical series is used for different type of questions. So what you will do is, in your rough space given in your question paper, you will make a table like this. What is this table about? This table is about ABCD series. A will be here, 1 here, and it is 25 here. So you will mark this A to Y. Z is not there normally in scholarship exam alphabetic series. A set of 25 alphabets are taken and set of 5 is created. So you will write it in your rough page, because again and again you have to refer to this. Now you see 1 to 25 and in reverse direction 1 to 25. That means if you move from left to right, A is 1 and W is 25th position, and when you move from right to back to A, and A is in 25th position, W is in the first position. And this I am giving you directly because never in the previous video also I did not mention about this. So now you may get an answer why do is 33. I am giving you time, but we'll give the answer. You can pause the video and take as much as time you require. From this table you will get the answer for why do is equal to, or do is equal to 33. And the answer is, I am going to say, you can pause if you don't want to hear it from me, but you wish to find out yourself. D we will find out. Where is D? D is here. O is here. Add these two, 22 and 11, 33. When our alphabetic series gave the numbers to the letters from right to left, that means from W to A, O became 11, D became 22, total became 33. Now you understood. So we'll check with come also. Come means C here, which is 23, O is here, already marked, 11, 23 plus 11, 30, 24 plus 10, 34. Then you are having M as a letter, 13 over there, 34 plus 13, 37, 47. Then you are having the last one E, which is 21. So you got 68. So my dear students, so this kind of numbers will really wonder that how 68 came, how 33 came. Is there any connection with some letter is having its own value? No, this is from alphabet series but numbering it. Now if you are finding out what will be run, then R, I have to find out where R is. Again you have to take the reverse series. R is equal to 8, U is equal to 5, and N is equal to 12. R is 8, U is equal to 5, N is equal to 12. So how much it will be? 17 plus 8, 25. So the answer will be 25. Understood? They will give you confusing answers: 22, 23, 24, 25, otherwise 25, 26, 27, 28. That's why I was, in certain cases we will go from the answer to the question that I had shown you earlier. Answer will help you to save our time. But in this case not. You have to get the answer and make use of the space for rough work properly. Very little space is given, you will be scribbling over there. And certain things you will keep ready-made. I told you the alphabetic series will be required. Maybe you are having an 11-page question paper. So there will be a question on the 10th page on alphabetic series, then you will come back to the first page, quickly do that. Make it ready for reference. Lot of such techniques to save time will be told in between the video that you should take seriously. This left to right movement, right to left, this is very common, and at least 10% questions are on moving from left to right, right to left, middle, and all this kind of positioning. And the left and right, I told you very clearly in the last, it is left of you only. That means A, then B is coming right to A. And it is adjacent also. If adjacent left, adjacent right is given, then you should specifically answer it. If adjacent means both will come, then there will be option of two answers will be there. They mention it. Select 2. So my dear students, take it as a fun as well as take it very seriously also, so that you will be getting an opportunity to test your intelligence in the month of February 2022. Along with maybe lakhs of students of Maharashtra. It will be a good experience for you, and with that spirit you should prepare for the exam. Thank you.